When solving an absolute value equation, your first step is to make sure that your absolute value bars are isolated. So here we're going to subtract 5 from both sides first. So we're left with 3 times the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 12. The absolute value bars still aren't by themselves, so now we're going to divide by 3. We cannot distribute the 3 inside. So now the 3's cancel, and you're left with the absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 4. Most of the time for absolute value equations, you are going to be having 2 answers, which means you have to make 2 equations. The 2 equations you're going to make are whatever's on the inside stays the same and is equal to whatever was on the right-hand side. And the second equation is going to be, again, whatever is inside the absolute value bars remains the same, is equal to the opposite of what's on that right-hand side. So notice that x minus 2 never becomes an x plus 2. The reason this is the case is we're finding what numbers have an absolute value equal to 4. The only numbers that satisfy this are 4 and negative 4. So we want to set whatever's inside there equal to 4 and negative 4. So we're going to add 2 and add 2 again.